Hey guys, I just want to go over with you over a trade that I showed you that I took earlier, and in this pair Australian against Canada, Canadian dollar, right? Um, and I was actually telling you why did I consider taking this trade, and if you look at the previous video, you would see in most part on the reason why I took this trade on the daily time frame, but that is not actually giving you the entire picture. I was mentioning right there that one opportunity would have been to, you can see there, I was mentioning in the previous video, you could wait for this candle to close and then you could have entered here somewhere. But that's not really the point. What I'm trying to tell you and showing to you the reason why I did not wait for this candle to close. And sometimes we have those examples where we have to work together with a lower time frame, and the best thing, for example, on the daily time frame is to work with a 4 hour time frame to give you an additional confirmation to take the trade. And this has been one of those examples. Beside those on daily time frame, I'll show it to you on the 4 hour time frame, right? So if I change the time frame to 4 hour time frame, and I just show you with a line here the reason why I took this trade. I looked at I went down to 4 hour time frame, and I looked here, and we find this level of resistance, right? So we get these double tops, and we start moving down. So that would have been for me an enough confirmation. Yes, I could wait to enter here or someplace else. I could. To me, it was enough confirmation. And again, I have to mention this very strongly. Uh, it was a risk worth taking it, right? So I had 3 reasons at this point, at minimum, 3 reasons to enter this trade. On the higher and lower time frame, you see the double top here. Do you see the Fibonacci level? You could see there we start moving down, and then to me it was a good enough reason to go in and to take. Of course, it's been a risk worth taking it. Yes, the market would have actually turned back and just take me out. It would just come up here and that's it, but would have been a very small loss. And as I mentioned, I think it's been a good opportunity for me. So that was the main, those are not the main, the few reasons that it showed to me that I think that would be a good opportunity. And you can see, as I mentioned in the previous video, I'm still in this trade, and I'm waiting. I believe tomorrow is Monday. I believe we'll have a pushback. Usually, this is what happens, and I'll see where the market will take me. So this is one example that I want to share with you. I want to share with you another example on USD CAD. I was mentioning I think it was my previous video. You know, taking you through the Ichimoku tool and showing to you here and there how it works. Now, the opportunity that I would have, I did not take this trade. I have to be very honest with you. I did not take this trade, but just to show it to you in terms of Ichimoku. So this is the daily time frame, and this is a cross of Tenkan Sen with Kijun, and that actually signifies a good short opportunity, especially because it's under the cloud, right? Well, now if you lower this to 4 hour time frame, and just go back here and I'll show it to you why would have been a good opportunity to take this trade is because you would actually wait and see what happens. For example, just before the big heavy red candle, if you would see this hammer candle, you might say that that it's a strong rejection of lower prices. Yes, that's true indeed, but in the context. So you see, guys, when you take a trade, you have to take it in the context, and then you might you figure out that okay, this is actually not what I thought. If you take this in the context of daily time frame, a couple of 4-hour time frame, you would see you would have a cross here, and then you would actually put your mind into, okay, now I need to start thinking about shorting. Um, uh, find opportunities for shorting, taking a short here, and this is actually would have been your signal in a way. Just need to wait for the right moment and enter the trade. So that would have been, again, I hate going back in the past, but I'm just trying to make a point here, guys, that Ichimoku does work most of the time, and to me, it's a tool that is worth looking at. So this is pretty much it, guys. And again, we can expand this as much as you want. We have here line of support, and you can see that this is actually, after that you could just come, and this will be tested from the other side. Obviously that becomes a resistance point. It has been tested right here, and the market goes down. So I'm sure you know this already. You find that all over the internet, but that's not the point. The point is that to enter a trade and take the calculated risk, and to be one step ahead of other folks out there. Yes, we could enter here, but would be a bit late, I think. Yeah, it depends on your taste. But again, market would just come back and take you out, and if that would happen, not end very well for you. So it depends on how you want to look at the markets. If you couple a couple of time frames, usually if you want to trade daily chart, you couple that to the 4-hour daily time frame, then you could have a good trade opportunities with more confirmations. So that would be my point in regards to these trades, guys. Thanks very much for your time, and I'll share with you other examples in the future. Thank you. Bye bye.